Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Let's start English task. Today we will revise our textbook reading and action poem on page number 11 and workbook page number 2, 3, 4 and 5 related to our planner number 3 to 6. Okay, let's start reading an action poem. Read the poem and learn to sing it. Do the actions as you sing. Pat the red pot, spin the blue top, take a little step, bow to me. Hold the black cat, pet the white dog, take a little step, bow to him. Catch a butterfly, chase a rainbow, take a little step, bow to her. Clap your little hand, smile a happy smile, take a big step, bow to us. You have read out in your 18-year class in your starting with the actions you have learned. Read out it in your class. Okay, so you will read it again at home, so you will learn it, learn the workbook pages according to this easily. Okay, let's start workbook page number 2. An action point. Word wall. There are some words that some spaces to write difficult words from the action point. Okay, we have written here: spin, chase, take, hold, bow, catch, and smile. So you will learn the spellings of these words. Okay, think. Write two words that end with at. At easy. For example, rat. Think any two words that end with at, like cat, mat, hat, whatever. You can choose any two words to write here. Okay, write a sentence using one of the following words that end with at. As you will write here, cat or rat or hat, so you will make a word or make a sentence using some one of these words. Like if you write cat here, then you can make the sentence as the cat is drinking milk or the cat is playing what. Okay, so write the sentence using any of the word ending with at. Next one is alphabetize. Alphabetize. Fish around and place the words from the word bond and in alphabetical order on the lines or to the right hand. There are some words you will write here in the alphabetical order, as we have learned in our previous lecture that what is the alphabetical order and how to order the words according to the alphabets. Firstly, you will choose according to the first letter P, S, B. The starting letter is B is the in ordered A, B. So like second word is B, second letter is B, so you will write B starting with the word starting with B. Okay, but there are two words that start with B, so you will choose the now next letter to order. In next letter in both the words B, it is O and U. Which letter is come first? Yes, O. So you will write bow at the start. Next one is butterfly, bow and butterfly. Now B letter words are completed. So now move to the next letter. B. After B it is C. There are two words starting with C: chase and clap. So you will select the second letters to order. Which word will you write firstly? Chase or clap? Yes, chase, because C after H is comes before L. So you will write chase and then clap. Okay. After C it is D, but there is no word starting with D. Next, move on next letter. Similarly, you will write it according to the um, this given example and write the all the words in alphabetical order. Okay, like firstly is bow, butterfly, chase, clap, then it is hold, um, little, yes, pat, rainbow, spin, take, white. Okay, right here and learn it. Okay, now next one is matching. Pat means this picture. Okay, you will match the words according to the actions. Spin means move around, so it is moving around, it is spinning, so you will match it with spin. Chase, bird is chasing the boy. Okay, chase मतलब पीछा करना. Okay, step, these are the steps. Okay, step up, step down, as you know. Okay, clap means clapping, and catch a butterfly, he is catching a butterfly. Okay, these are the actions and these are the words, so you will match it according to the word. Make the list of things the animals mentioned in the poem. As we have read out the poem, an action poem, you will write all the things or the animals name mentioned in the poem, that is pot, top, cat, dog, butterfly and rainbow. Okay, and last one is it your task is to color the picture, but learn the page number 2, 3, 4 and 5, okay, from your workbook, so that you will find not difficulty in your exams. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.